I'm just chilling with double-decker docks. Look at this view. It's crazy over here in Anderson, South Carolina, you know. Just chilling with me and my friends up here. What is that?
Hey.
Whoa! Whoa.
Hey, yo, Sap, what's good, bro?
Who was that?
This man's kinda high out here. Hey, yo, the flyest motherfucker in the room. Yeah, you know it's me. Bitches hating on him cause he started out here locally. Hopefully, I'll be at the top soon. For now, I'm at my house, on the couch, watching cartoons. You know how much you love it when you get it in abundance. Give a fuck about a budget when you always be the subject of discussion. But it's nothing when you stop and just say fuck it, cause you walking out in public and you hear